Hello friends, if you eat any of these chocolates, then this video is for you. Beyond chocolate's scrumptious taste, there is a lot more to this delicious treat that we should know. Chocolates derived from cocoa beans has been enjoyed for centuries and for good reasons. And here are some incredible benefits of chocolates that might surprise you. It boosts your brain power, keeps you slim, balances the immunity system, reduces stress, combats diseases, improves your brain function, protects your skin, makes you feel good, and many more. Well, chocolate itself has amazing benefits, but not all chocolates are created equal. Some brands take advantage of our love for chocolates and load their products with sugars and harmful chemicals. For instance, chocolates like Kit Kat, 5-Star, Dairy Milk, Snickers, Bourbon will give you 6 to 7 teaspoons of sugars, which is, when consumed excessively, can lead to numerous health problems like obesity, diabetes, acne, and tooth decay. On top of it, they are loaded with hydrogenated vegetable fats, stabilizers, emulsifiers, and artificial flavors. Guys, the main ingredient of any chocolate is cocoa, whereas these chocolates have only 6 to 7% of cocoa in them. Guys, as a responsible consumer, it is essential to be aware of what we are buying and consuming. We should always check the ingredient list, choose reputed brands that support quality ingredients and support sustainable and ethical practices. Now guys, you might be wondering, are there any chocolates available in the Indian market which are actually healthy? So here are some chocolates which are actually healthy for you and you can enjoy them guilt-free. These are chocolates by Lindt, Just Rough and Belgium. These are definitely the best chocolates in the Indian market. They have high percentage of cocoa in it and are low in sugar. Although these chocolates are on the pricier side, this is because most of them are imported. Nevertheless, these chocolates are healthy and highly recommended. But how much chocolate should we eat and how often? Well, moderation is the key. A small portion of dark chocolate a few times a week can be a part of a healthy diet. Guys, I want to confirm that whatever I have spoken in this video is my honest opinion. No brand has sponsored me. Neither I'm against or with any brand. And guys, I have mentioned the links of all these 3 chocolates in the description box. You can buy them as per your budget and liking. And guys, if you like this video and learned something new, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Well, thank you so much for watching the video.